What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been quite some time since I've last uploaded, but I am still actively trading full time as best I can on top of being a real estate agent. So I want to do a little bit of a June recap so far. And I'm right here logged into my TradeZella account. You can see the date range up at the top. June 1st to June 6th so far have 3 trading days, and we're up 3,400 on the month so far. So pretty cool. But I want to walk through my biggest trade of my trading career so far, which happened on Friday, June 2nd. It was 2 trades, and we're going to jump right into that here. So we'll pull open these trades for June 2nd. As you can see, my biggest gain was 124% on the 175 long calls. And then I got short 180 on the 180 puts for a 25% gain. So let's log right into these calls here. That was the biggest gain. And I want to walk you through everything that kind of transpired on how I took this trade, why I took this trade, etc. So we had 10 options on the 180 call, on the 175 call. So I got in right here. We got filled at $2.19 per contract. So we had very strong buying pressure right off the top, which really launched Snowflake to its all-time highs later that day. And then I got out, as you can see right here on this candle, about, was that 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes later, sold those contracts. We got 5 trimmed at 490 and then another 5 trimmed at 495, which led to the entire gain of 2,700 bucks roughly. So what led me to taking this trade was the clear conviction that we were going to rip off the open. And the size of these candles and the buying pressure really indicates that. You can see the volume here, very strong buyers in control. What happens next is interesting because as it approached 180, it really started to thin out in terms of its volume. And that's what I want to show you here to walk through how I got short and why. And you'll notice I got short and sold everything on the same candle, which is right here. So I got short on those 20 options, as you can see on this side, $529 gain right on this candle as we approached the 160 time frame. I'm not sure why TradeZella shows this because I don't believe that was the trading day, even though I guess it is. So just bear with me on that. But as we come over, okay, here you go. So just want to zoom out a little bit. Okay, so these were the, so those were the, I believe these were the shorts. Yeah, so these were the puts that I took. And we ended up getting filled on 10 of those at 266 and then 10 more at 269. And then as the price broke, we exited all of those at roughly 295 and 296. So you can see in this price range, it really started to trade sideways, not so much going on there. And you can tell it kind of traded pretty flat for the rest of the day. And that's what led me to getting out of this trade the entire time. So that was the result of my biggest trade so far for the month of June. Really cool to kind of see that come to fruition here. And really excited. I mean, you could tell how the stock ran for the rest of the day. It just kept creeping up, which is awesome to see. It's been a great stock and a great runner so far. Going for the full 5-day time frame here once it loads. Pretty easy to see why this was an easy stock to trade, guys. So not the best video, but this was me running through my biggest trade so far. As you can tell, a bulk of the money was made on the calls, on the call options that were, clear buying pressure took over, which rode us straight to the top, and made a 9% gain on the puts on the way down once it couldn't hold that 180 level. So I appreciate you guys sticking around. Let me know if this video was helpful. Definitely plan on doing more videos like this in the future. But be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I'll see you in the next video.